You cannot push it down. Ito na lang. Good job, baby! You're going? Excited? Mm-mm. Oh. All done. Very good. Okay. Alright. Oh, what are you doing, Mina?
I'm folding.
Okay. Very good.
Can you show mommy your folded towel?
Oh, she really can fold. May I see it, Mina?
Yeah.
Good job. Oh. Are you folding it, baby? Oh, you're trying to fold it. Okay. It's okay, it's okay.
More amazing. Again.
Release up here. That one. Again. Fold it.
Again.
You want to try it this time?
Again.
Yeah. Oh, this good.
What are you doing?
I'm massaging.
Massage your papa?
Mm-hmm.
Her, his neck? His back?
Okay, be straight, be straight. Okay. What are you doing?
Careful, it's okay. Good job, baby. Thank you. Nice work.
Remember you fit down in the... Okay, great!
Paano? Clean up. Yes, clean up. Very good. It's hot. Ready for swimming.
Ready?
For swimming.
Ready?
Yes. Your own clothes, baby. It's okay. Just get this one on.
Papa, can we be here? Papa?